Chilling at the shit house.
Or 7.
My girlfriend. Just taking the Cinewhoop for a rip. Rimsler Dyson. Printed by Dan. Dan the Sardronics man. Woo! Woo! And look at that. Oh, she got a Hero 7. Silver, right?
Yep.
Silver Hero 7. Ooh, them shots is gonna look fine. Look at that BQE hat. Covering her damn face again. I'm gonna put a stop to that. Where are you standing? Okay. I just want to stand with you. I'm recording! This way I could be a dork, but be standing next to you for once. Instead of it being like, oh, there's Reckless out there flying by himself all the time. Ooh, Reckless, do one of them Rubikses. Give me what I'm looking for.
I know. Oh my god. Hold on. You're almost there.
Where are you? Trying to get in there. Oh, there you are. Beautiful.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Haha. I don't even think this is going to record the whole time, but I'm bringing it out anyway. I love how you're Cinewhooping and then I'm Cinewhooping with like a fucking 5-inch quad. I'm trying to get you cool shots too. By flying near you and underneath you and stuff. But I'll be careful. Don't worry about me, you just concentrate on where you're going, you'll just see me pass from time to time. This gives you a little chance to like pay attention a little bit to just being smooth. Because that's what chase footage really is. You're not so much chasing, you're just trying to hold a smooth line with someone else while they're holding a smooth line. You know what I'm saying? Because I've tried chasing where you're really concentrating on just being close to the person, and it will actually fuck you up so bad. You usually end up missing a turn and you'll slam into something. holding an orbit for this long. That thing can actually go pretty fast when you want, right? Wow, I cannot believe I just saved that. I was totally not paying attention to where I was going. I like hooked onto that wire and bounced off of it. Your OSC telling you to land now?
No.
Nice, babe. This is the first time you actually got a proper grip on this thing.
I actually think I have enough grip on it.
Oh, damn right you do. I can post the other half of this. Just send it to the patron first. Okay? Then you have a few days to keep yours up. Following that thing. It's so easy to follow. Done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna come in and land. I still have a little bit of power, but pretty much cooked. Is that when it told you to land?
Yeah.
Nice. So you're getting quite a bit of flight time out of that little fucker.
Yeah, and I'm getting kind of good at it. That's some of those orbits, babe, they're Instagram ready.
Oh, I know. I was right behind you most of the time.
That was fucking sick.
I might post that as just hanging out with my girlfriend rip. And the next one to our series will be at the barn dough. And I even recorded all of it in third person. So it's gonna hear us yapping at each other.
Ew.
Are you done now?
Yeah. I think so. So it said something that you want to try to turn this off.
Yeah, what now?
It said something while I was trying to turn it off.
Ooh, look. This was just about to die too. My session and my hero were both just about to die. Oh, it's still on, eh? Oh no, it just turned off.
Oh, okay.
It takes a second, eh? If you click the button, just let it think. Because if you start pressing buttons, then you'll have to hard reset it.
Mm.
It looks like it turned off anyway. You can pretty much tell if it's on or off. Here, I'll show you what to do. Oh, I gotta turn this. I love flying so much. Doggone it. It sucks having to do adult shit. I just want to stay at home and hang out with my girlfriend. Go buy hoodies that I can stay at home with my girlfriend and fly. Nah, just kidding. You don't have to buy hoodies. If you really hate me, you should totally buy one of my most expensive hoodies and just burn it on camera. But make sure you tell them where you bought it and who you hate so much and why you burning they shit.